Today all, we deal with the last part of the conjunctions, that is subordinating conjunctions. Previous slide we had seen about coordinating and correlating conjunctions. So this slide, subordinating conjunctions. The subordinating conjunctions are although, after, before, because, how, means, once, since, so that, until, unless, while, where, whether. Although, an example, although it was raining, I ran home. After, example, please text me after you arrive at the shopping mall. Before, example, he had written a living will before he died. Because, example, they stopped building the house because it was pouring. How, example, I wonder how you did it. If, example, if I receive a promotion, you will be the first to know. Once, example, once you see him, you will recognize him. Since, example, since he graduated, he has been doing nothing. So that, example, he finished his work as fast as possible so that he could leave early. Until, example, don't go anywhere until I come back. Unless, example, unless you ask her, you will never know. When, example, when I came in the room, everyone looked at me. While, example, we met while we were walking at the university. Where, example, this is where I came from. Whether, example, we will have a picnic whether it rains or not. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.